Hey everybody, Rudy here from the Home Improvement Channel with another video helping you fix things around the house. Today I'm going to show you how to install pickets on your stairs, how to find this angle, and how to center the pickets on the rail. Install them without cracking them. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so one of the things you need to do is determine the angle that the stairs are on. And the easiest way to do that is if you have a smartphone. I'm using an app called Bubble Level. You can get that from the App Store, and the Apple Play Store I'm sure has got an equivalent to it. But we're showing here 37 degrees, so that helps out a lot. It determines it right off the bat, and we already know what the angle is. So that's the angle that you're going to need to cut at the top of the picket. Alright, then you're going to want to determine the length of your picket. Now that's entirely up to you. I like the picket to stick down just a little bit right here. I think it looks better than having it end up in here somewhere. So that's up to you. Whatever you decide is what you're going to do. Alright, now that we've determined the angle that's going to go at the top of the picket, I made a stop. If you have one of these kind of tables that your saw can sit on, or if you have another way, if you make a stop, then you can just slap that puppy in there and cut it. I've already got this set for the right length, so I'm going to show you how it works. Yeah, you can pile 2 or 3 in the saw, depending on your saw. This saw will cut 3 going the other way and 2 going this way, but we're going to cut 2. Makes it a lot faster. Alright, now that we have all our pickets cut, just go ahead and drill them. It doesn't really matter what size drill you use, just as long as it's not really too big. But this will keep them from cracking. Let me rephrase that. It'll help keep them from cracking. Alright, what I usually do is start the pickets in the middle. Some people can start it on one end and just work themselves down, which you can do that, but I would measure it like this. So we got 35 right here, so half of that is 17 and a half. So come over here and mark 17 and a half. And then you can check the other way, make sure you're close to the middle, which I am. So the pickets are 1 3/8 thick. So what I would do is come back 11/16 because that's going to be, when you put the edge of the picket right there, you're going to wind up in the middle. Alright? Alright, so once you get the mark for your edge, hold that puppy up to the edge there, and it's good if you have a level handy, that way they're straight. Cut! So it's good if you have a level handy, that way they're straight. And just get the first one straight is real important. You'll see why. Go on in there. Go on inside of there. That's good if you have a helper for this part, but if you don't, it's not that big of a deal. I use a 2x4 for spacing because most coats want less than 4 inches in this space right here. So a 2x4 is already 3.5. So that makes it real simple to use as a spacer. Until it's done. And if you have a long run, check every 4 or 5 pickets to make sure that they're still straight. All right, well, that's how I do pickets. As you can see, this gap here and here is pretty even, so good job. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos like this as often as I can. Thanks for watching.